We are a circle, and there are circles within us that move in unguarded sync with one another. That's what makes us family. This design is built around the idea of that circle of unity, a circle that is tight, but that has room. The C, the 9 and the 0 are all circle-based, formed out of the original circle, with different circumferences, but the same thickness. The same substance, one that flows in each of us, a substance that was molded over time, crafted in the same environment, during the same period, with the same values. The C is multicolored, symbolizing the diversity that was and will always be to us a normal and beautiful thing. We are sisters and brothers from all over Nigeria, many languages, faiths and beliefs, diverse worldviews, emotional and intellectual dispositions woven into a strong and well-rounded ball of thread that is hard to rip, yet soft to touch. The colors are red, blue, green and yellow, and they mean more to us than chromatic values. They were once our home. This circle of unity is a representation of our culture as a group and who we are meant to be as a nation. The open end of the C in the logo speaks to this, cut in a perfect 90-degree angle from the core, facing the 90. This is because with open arms as a right angle, we receive one another's imperfections, working together to be better people. The 0 is slightly tucked behind the 9 to demonstrate that there is no gap here. We stand behind each other. Indeed, it is also a bit misaligned. This shows that we are not always what you expect us to be. It represents the element of unpredictability in us. That element of Kolo. This is C90, the Federal Government College Wukari, class of 1990, and this is only the beginning.